10 UK towns with the worst nightlife. Across the United Kingdom, nightlife defines more than entertainment. It reflects community, energy, and local spirit. But not every British town shines after dark. Some fall silent once the sun dips, their pubs closing early and streets echoing with calm. These are the 10 UK towns with the worst nightlife, places where peace replaces parties and bedtime comes sooner than the bass drop. From northern market towns to coastal getaways, each one tells a quiet story of how British evenings can be beautifully uneventful. Let's count down from 10 to 1 and discover where the night barely begins. 10. Penrith, Cumbria. Penrith is a postcard-perfect market town, its Georgian facades and hilly backdrop giving it undeniable daytime charm. But when twilight arrives, the excitement quietly fades. The nightlife here is best described as minimal. A couple of traditional pubs and a smattering of local inns offering early last orders. Once the hub for farmers and Lake District visitors, Penrith's High Street now winds down well before midnight. Locals often gather for a quick pint, a meal, and then home by 10. There are no nightclubs, and live music venues appear only occasionally during festivals. Still, Penrith's charm lies in its serenity. It's a place for reflection, not revelry. A town that sleeps beneath a blanket of stars while the rest of Britain buzzes. For many, that's exactly its appeal. 9. Macclesfield, Cheshire. Macclesfield's history is steeped in silk and craftsmanship, but modern nightlife hasn't quite woven its magic here. Despite being a sizable town in Cheshire, its late-night offering is modest. A handful of stylish bars, such as Red Willow or the Bailey Head, keep evenings sociable, yet the streets soon empty once clocks strike 11. Locals often trek to Manchester, only 20 minutes by train, for bigger nights out. The contrast is stark. While Manchester hums with DJs and neon lights, Macclesfield prefers relaxed conversation and early closure. What the town lacks in energy, it compensates with friendliness. Pubs are community-driven, service is personal, and the slower tempo makes it ideal for those who value calm over chaos. But for partygoers, Macclesfield remains one of the worst nightlife towns UK has to offer. 8. Dudley, West Midlands. Situated in the heart of England's industrial belt, Dudley once thrived on iron and coal. Today, its skyline of historic mills and castle ruins creates an impressive daytime scene. But nightlife isn't its strong suit. Dudley's late-night culture has waned. While there are a few traditional pubs and sports bars scattered through the town centre, large clubs or trendy lounges are rare. The rhythm of the place is closer to relaxation than revelry. The decline in local nightlife mirrors national trends, rising costs, changing drinking habits, and an emphasis on family evenings rather than midnight gatherings. Yet the spirit of community remains. Those who live here value affordable living and friendliness over flashing lights. Visitors hoping for the buzz of Birmingham's nightlife will quickly learn that Dudley calls it a night far earlier. 7. Torquay, Devon. Once hailed as the jewel of the English Riviera, Torquay's golden sands and palm-lined promenades hint at glamour. But its nightlife tells another story. During summer, bars like Soho Cocktail Lounge, an offshore bar and restaurant draw decent crowds. But when the holidaymakers leave, so does the noise. Off-season, Torquay slows to a whisper. Most venues close early, and many of the younger crowd move toward Exeter or Plymouth for livelier nights. Its seaside setting offers calm evenings by the water rather than dance floors and DJ decks. The town's demographic tilt toward retirees and families means tranquility has taken centre stage. Still, the locals wouldn't have it any other way. In Torquay, the nights are made for gentle sea breezes and quiet strolls, not last calls and thumping bass lines. 6. Clacton-on-Sea, Essex. Clacton-on-Sea wears its nostalgia proudly. Arcades glowing along the pier, candy floss stalls, and echoes of classic seaside holidays. But when darkness falls, excitement quickly gives way to stillness. Decades ago, Clacton thrived with dance halls and summer concerts. Today, the town's nightlife leans heavily on a few pubs and social clubs. Some small bars host karaoke or quiz nights, but vibrant clubbing culture has largely disappeared. Locals and tourists alike describe evenings as quiet, comfortable, and family-oriented. Those seeking variety often travel to Colchester or Chelmsford, where nightlife scenes are broader and busier. Still, Clacton's silence isn't necessarily sad. It's nostalgic. It recalls a simpler era when seaside nights meant gentle laughter and moonlit walks along the promenade. But by modern standards, it ranks solidly among the UK towns with the worst nightlife. 5. Scarborough, North Yorkshire. Scarborough balances history and beauty with its towering cliffs, grand hotels, and salty air. Yet, despite its famous charm, this coastal icon becomes strangely subdued after dusk. While there are pubs and live music spots such as Indigo Alley and the Watermark Bar, the overall pace is gentle. The once vibrant scene of clubs along St Nicholas Street has thinned out as many venues shuttered or pivoted toward daytime dining. Even during peak tourist months, nights often revolve around quiet drinks or seaside strolls rather than all-night energy. Locals describe it affectionately. "We're more seaside serenity than city spotlight." Scarborough proves that charm and nightlife don't always coexist. The town glows at sunset, but fades softly, making it a worthy entry on the 10 UK towns with the worst nightlife list. 4. Blackpool, Lancashire. Few names in Britain evoke nightlife quite like Blackpool, but the story has changed. Once the UK's entertainment capital, the town that thrived on stag parties, light shows and late-night cabaret is quieter now, especially outside summer. Bars like the Counting House or Bloom Bar and Lounge still attract crowds, but many older venues have closed. The seasonal nature of tourism leaves winter streets empty. Locals often say, Blackpool's nightlife still flashes, but not for long. It remains fun for a weekend trip, yet the year-round energy has faded. Rising costs and tighter noise controls have transformed what was once the wild heart of northern nightlife into a milder experience. Still, Blackpool's nostalgic lights remain part of British culture, even if its parties now end earlier than they used to. 3. Great Yarmouth, Norfolk. Great Yarmouth's seafront glitters by day with amusement rides and beach stalls, but once darkness sets in, the energy drains quickly. Once home to famous dance clubs and theatres, the town's nightlife scene has dwindled. The closure of the historic Empire Theatre and the slow decline of seafront pubs left locals with limited options. A few bars like the Troll Cart or the Coach House still pour late pints, but true nightlife thrills are hard to find. Most residents describe evenings as peaceful, a welcome contrast for some, a disappointment for others. With Norwich only 20 miles away, those craving variety simply travel inland. Great Yarmouth's nights belong to the soft hum of the sea and the echo of arcade lights switching off. Picturesque, yes. Pulsating, not so much. 2. Kendal, Cumbria. Beautiful, artsy and wrapped in Lake District scenery, Kendal is a gem for culture lovers, but nightlife seekers might find it too serene. Known for its mint cake and cobbled charm, this market town closes early and quietly. The pubs are warm and friendly, yet few stay open late. Live music occasionally fills the Brewery Arts Centre, but regular club nights are almost non-existent. The town's local business improvement district even acknowledged a need to boost the evening economy to retain young residents. For most locals, a perfect night means dinner, a pint, and home before 11. For tourists expecting a wild weekend, Kendal feels closer to a lullaby. It is undeniably one of the worst nightlife towns UK travellers will encounter, but one of the prettiest by day. 1. Alloa, Clacton-on-Sea, Scotland. Taking the number 1 spot is Alloa, a Scottish town whose evenings are so calm they could be mistaken for countryside silence. Once a centre of brewing and glassmaking, Alloa has evolved into a commuter town with a slow pace and minimal nightlife. There are a few traditional pubs like the Bobbin Mill and the Station Bar, but big nights out are rare. Locals often travel to Stirling or Falkirk when they crave a louder evening. Events such as community sealids or quiz nights appear occasionally, yet the town's energy stays modest. Despite its quiet label, Alloa is welcoming and close-knit. It's not that nightlife is missing, it's just replaced with neighbourly gatherings and calm walks home. For anyone who values stillness, Alloa is perfect. For thrill seekers, it's the very top of the 10 UK towns with the worst nightlife. The 10 UK towns with the worst nightlife prove that not every evening in Britain needs flashing lights to be memorable. From Kendal's quiet charm to Alloa's early nights, these towns celebrate stillness over sound. For some, that's dull. For others, it's the very definition of peace under British skies. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.